Welcome back to STYFLY Malaysia, your skyscrapers channel. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell for new video notification. Today's video is about Tun Razak Exchange or TRX City. TRX City Sendiri and Berhad is wholly owned by the Malaysian Ministry of Finance and serves as a strategic development company. It is the master developer of Tun Razak Exchange. TRX City ensures the development of the financial district to follow the future-ready master plan, which combines world-class infrastructure, excellent connectivity, sustainable design and attractive urban ecosystem. TRX City is also the owner of Bandar Malaysia Sendiri and Berhad, a 486-acre urban development in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. We see strong potential in Malaysia and are excited to support Kuala Lumpur in achieving new levels of sustainability and livability. Our continued collaboration with TRXC represents a strategic partnership with an organization that shares our vision and purpose of creating value through places where communities thrive, said Stuart Mendel, Managing Director and Head of Malaysia, Lendlease. The new plot is adjacent to the main pedestrian gateway of TRX, the Raintree Plaza, which is connected to the Bukit Bintang shopping district. As of now, the value of the entire TRX development is pegged to balloon past $12.84 billion or 40 billion ringgit. Excellent connectivity, iconic public realms and smart and sustainable design come together to create Malaysia's first international financial district at Tun Razak Exchange, TRX. Designed as KL's best connected address, TRX's 70-acre master plan includes a dedicated MRT interchange station and direct accesses to Jalan Tun Razak, MEX and SMART Highways, as well as the upcoming Duke 3. Designed as a porous development, TRX will also catalyze the rejuvenation of the surrounding Imbi and Pudu neighbourhoods. A pedestrian boulevard will connect TRX with the Bukit Bintang shopping belt, creating a seamless lifestyle destination that is vibrant, lively and inclusive. At the heart of TRX is the Exchange Mall, and located on the mall's rooftop is the TRX Central Park, a 10-acre public green nexus. TRX is the first development in Malaysia to have received a neighborhood-level Provisional Green Buildings Index certification. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell for new video notification. Please leave a comment in order for me to improve. Thank you again for your time and support. Please spread love to our life and please keep social distancing, guys. COVID-19 still out there. Salamat Hari Raya from STYFLY Malaysia.